Umsolwa kuleli icala uZandile Mthembu okuyintombi kaMufi.
Matter is remanded 27 August 2025 back to court 16 to enable the public prosecutor to obtain information pertaining to bail. We are in custody.
Udadewabo kaMufi uthi okuqukethwe umfanekiso we-CCTV ikona okwalekelela ukuba bathole ukuthi kwenzekani.
Kwavuleka isivalo lesesingemuva kuqala and then kwase kuvuleka esakhe. And then he came out holding here. According to the witnesses, he was saying, my girlfriend has stabbed me. Please help me get to the hospital. Where is the hospital? Then the other guy who was here, what we saw on the footage, he then jumped into the car. By the time he wanted to take him to the hospital, he fell on the ground.
Uthi yize sekunenqubekela phambili ngaleli icala kepha abeneme ngendlela amaphoyisa alisingatha ngayo emva kokwenzeka kwesigameko.
They did not search the car, you know. My brother was in the car, probably died in the car, we don't know, or died here in the garage, we don't know. They never searched the car, and when I opened the cabin, here's the knife, you know.
Kusenjalo unqatsheliwe ibheyili namhlanje uKatiso KT Mulife osola ngokubandakanyeka ekubulaweni kuka-Oupa Sifoka owaziwa ngelika DJ Sambodi nabaqaphi bakhe kanye no DJ Vintos. Ubevele enkantolo yemantshi eAlexandra eGauteng namhlanje.
On the second day of August 2024, the applicant sent a WhatsApp message, bail granted, to which the friend replied, "Good work, my brother." The applicant responded, "This is evidence of what teamwork can achieve, my brother." The current counts are indeed of a very serious nature and can definitely increase the risk to abscond.
Amaphoyisa athi isibhamu esasetshenziswa kulamacala amahlanu okubulala siyathinteka kwamanye amacala okubulala kanti futhi kusengenzeka kube khona abanye ababoshwayo.
The AK-47 that was used in all these 5 murders is being linked to 10 cases. So the teams are still hard at work. You will recall that the SAPS Political Killings Task Team is not working alone. It's working closely with Gauteng Organised Crime. So they are still investigating those cases. So we cannot rule out the possibility of effecting more arrests.
INPA kanye namaphoyisa bathi yize uMulife aphumelela ukuthola ibheyili ngaphambilini ecaleni lokubulawa kuka-Armand Swart banethemba lokuthi angeke aphunyuke kulamacala abhekene nawo njengamanje. EWestern Cape lihlehliselo mhla zingama-22 kuMfumfu icala lokubulawa kukaLolita Khowa oneminyaka esikhombisa ukudala ekuyasa ekhaya elitsha. U-Odwa Jack kanye noNokuthula Makiesini basolwa ngokudlwengula kanye nokubulala le ntombazanyana. Ukhowa wanyamalala mhla zingama-20 kuNtulikazi emva kokuvakashela uMakiesini emzini wakhe kanti isidumbu sakhe satholakala ngosuku olulandelayo ene-screwdriver ekhanda.